How to fix graphics device driver error code 22, 32, 37, or 43. The above listed error codes indicate different problems with the driver or the device. Here are some possible solutions for each error code. Error code 22 means that the device has been disabled by Windows operating system. This can happen due to driver software corruption or other reasons. One possible fix is to manually enable the device in Device Manager. Another possible fix is to update the driver for the device. Error code 32 means that the driver or device has been disabled in the registry. This can happen due to incorrect configuration or registry corruption. One possible fix is to update or reinstall the driver for the device. Another possible fix is to use a registry cleaner tool to scan and repair any registry errors. Error code 37 means that the system failed to initialize the driver for the device. This can happen due to driver software corruption or compatibility issues. One possible fix is to reinstall the driver for the device. Another possible fix is to roll back the driver to a previous version or perform a system restore to a point before the error occurred. Error code 43 means that the driver has stopped responding or has failed. This can happen due to hardware issues or driver failures. One possible fix is to update or reinstall the driver for the device. Another possible fix is to check the hardware for any physical damage or loose connections.